Well, I've got it running again. I found a couple of spots for a couple of drips, but I must be missing the big one somewhere. I just turned her back on. I'll be taking a close watch for leaks. But she's running good. Both fishies seem to be happy. Anyway, I'll start hunting for more leaks, lifting rocks up, looking. Like right there is where I found one over there. I'll go over there and right under here. See how it's flowing where it shouldn't. But yet it still should flow down into the pond there. No water there. Under there, see, it's check it all over everywhere, and eventually I'll find it. Stop already. Well, I believe I got her fixed. My water level's staying up. It's been 2 days. I might be losing maybe one drip every now and then, but probably due to evaporation through the waterfall. That's what I'm losing now. And as you can see, water is cleaned up. You can see all the way down to the bottom, 5 feet section down there. Go fish are having fun, expecting food because I'm standing here. I should have brought some out with me. I'll go get some. Well, I'm back with the grub. You guys want some grub, huh? Just flakes this time of year. Don't want to give them too much. Oh, here comes Monster. Wow, big good guy. I call him Monster. Oh. Just come out here and listen to this all day. Just sit and relax in the sun. On the bright side of things, I got an email today from YouTube saying I'm over 100 subscribers. Wow, that's cool, huh? Well, that's all, folks.